What's up, guys? So a couple days ago I told you guys that I had an AFR gauge, and so I have an AEM air fuel ratio gauge. It's just missing the clip to put the O2 sensor in. So I went ahead and I ordered one through my buddy's shop, so I'm gonna go pick that up, and then hopefully we're gonna get this installed today. So I'll catch up with you guys soon, and let's get the day started. Just got to the shop. Now let's go outside and go get the sensor.
What's going on? How's it going? Good. Good. Here should be your guy.
So we got that sensor. I also got a pod as well. It came in the mail the other day. It's a Pro Sport performance pod. I got it right here. It's like $10. Universal pod, so that should work. And a big shout out to Drew from Unparalleled Performance. It's a local shop here in Twin Falls, Idaho. He does very good work on all of his cars that he does. He specializes in imports, Subarus and Evos, stuff like that. And also he'll work on anything really, and he's very good at what he does. Anything that you want to do to your engine performance wise, I would recommend him, and he does it in a timely manner as well. So yeah, big shout out to him. If you guys want his information, I'll leave that in the description below. And yeah, so big shout out to him. Thanks. What's going on, guys? Now I can get this install started. Back at the house, I got the hood popped up. I kind of have everything set up already, so now I guess I'll just show you guys what it looks like and how I'm mounting it and stuff like that. So obviously for my downpipe, the O2 bungs right at the top right here, you can see. So we got that screwed down. The wires coming up through here, back here, all the way through that side. You can see the wire right here going out back there to the O2. So I have that wired up through the fender. So let's take a look at that. So it's coming out through here, going up through there through the fuse box. You have to take out this side panel here to get to it, and then I have it wired up through there. Also, I tucked it under this whole piece right here. Tucked it under there. Got that excess wires right here all zip tied. Have it hanging through there. Brought it around through the steering wheel, and then I have it mounted like this. You guys can see that. So and then these are pretty short, so I'm just gonna have to get some connectors for that, and then probably mount the positive one to a fuse here, and then the ground is this green one, and I'll just put that to a metal piece to the car. So gonna get that done. Probably go stop at Ace Hardware again like I always do, and then I'll show you guys once it's fully installed. So awesome. I ended up getting it mounted, and I also wired it, and I put the positive wire to the sensor to the radio, and then I also put the negative wire, and I grounded it to a body part of the car on the side panel. And then also I realized that I didn't have any oil, so I just changed oil while I was at it as well. But got everything installed, so let's do a first startup. Yeah, so everything works, everything looks good. Thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to make another video for you guys. If you guys want anything else that you guys want to see, just put it in the comments as well, or also DM me on Facebook or Instagram for following me. And yeah, so thanks for watching. See you guys next time.